So the first question says, rationalize the denominator of 6 over the square root of 3. So first let's rewrite this question. So 6 over the square root of 3. Now, what do they mean when they say rationalize? To rationalize means you need to remove or to do away with a surd or the square root symbol on the denominator. So to do that, we are going to multiply by the same denominator both on the denominator and the numerator. Okay? So we're going to have 6 times the square root of 3 over the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 can be written as the square root of 3 and then squared. So the square root symbol and the power 2 will cancel. What will remain is 6 times the square root of 3 over 3. Then 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 6 is 2. So what we have now is 2 times the square root of 3 over 1. So we now have 2 times the square root of 3. Then this is the final answer. So you can see that we have removed the surd or the square root symbol on the denominator.